5 reasons to trade using Bybit Exchange. Number 1, you got 30k sign-up bonus. Number 2, you gain access to our exclusive airdrop. 3, you join into our crypto senior group. Number 4, you can become a Bybit hunter in our community. Number 5, you can participate in Launchpad and IDO. Even my dead grandfather know all the top crypto exchange, but he don't know why I choose Bybit to trade. Let me explain why Bybit currently at top 3 trading volume. In this time when this video is recorded, Bybit so far never get hacked for. They learn from Swapy. They are transparent, able to protect traders from trade manipulation and price manipulation. They rip the tip off them. They include margin trading up to 100 times leverage. Okay, you can be a millionaire in 2 hours. Low transaction fee. Trading interface easy to understand. Even a IQ 21 person can understand. Handle up to 100,000 trades per second. You can keep enter trade until you're happy. No need personal information. Anyone can or anything can trade. Customer service talk to you 24/7 with any language. But I have not tried vulgar language. They provide data analysis tool and latest news. You can read when you are pooping. How? Want to join Bybit? Just do 3 steps. Number 1, click the link below description. Sign up for our Bybit account. Number 2, complete the KYC level 1. Number 3, deposit a minimum of $100 within 7 days after sign up. Okay, remember, follow my channel and page. See you in my future content. Bye.